Welcome to Always Eliza! Hi, welcome to Always Eliza. It's been a while yung last na video ko. Ang daming nangyari. As you all know, I'm one of the admins sa West Coast 18. And July has been a busy month for 18 here in the US because, as you all know, SB19 had a North America tour. And I was like saying like, oh, I'm gonna put a lot of videos, posted a lot of videos, but I had a great time dancing in the actual concert that I didn't have the chance to take a video. I did have like pictures of Mahalima while they were singing, but the rest I was so happy and excited because, like I said in my previous video, na this is gonna be the first time that I'm gonna see them live, 5 of them, because the only one that I saw of all the members is Stel, but the rest, this is the first time. That's why I was so excited, and I thought I had videos, a lot of videos, but in the end I didn't have one. I only have like pictures in Anaheim, but I did have videos in Pechanga, I believe, and I'm gonna share it with you guys pagkatapos nitong video na to. My experience simula at wakas North America tour ng Mahalima, ang ganda, never disappoint kasi as you all know, world class ang SB19 when it comes to performance. Not only that, their singing is top notch. They're very dedicated to their craft, and it shows sa performances nila. They give it their all. So they were like saying like, even though it's the same venue dun sa California, they make it a point that it's different in a way na they made some additions with regards to lighting sa stage. It's different, and of course the songs of the Simula at Wakas songs are all there. Syempre hindi mawawala yung Crimson. Grabe, everybody's singing, dancing. I for one is dancing. I mean, like I said, I didn't have the chance to take a video in Anaheim, that because I was really having a great time dancing and vibing with the songs, and just like, you know, enjoying the moment of the concert. And also may mga merch silang binibenta, and I got this merch. Itong photo book, I believe. I'm just gonna show you kung anong nito. So this photo book, it comes with 2 kinds, yung 2 colors, the brown and the black one, and I have the brown one. One thing I like about this is meron siyang scarf. So when you open it, it has a scarf. Let me show you, ha. Isa rin to na maganda kasi talagang, tingnan nyo to, talagang maganda. Oh, yung map, maganda siya. After nan, so when you open it, meron ding, ang nakuha ko is yung photo card ni Philip. So may mga photo cards silang included. So Philip yung nakuha ko. Tapos meron silang stickers na kasama. And then ito yung loob. Let me show you ito. So yung second one is, it has a booklet with all their photos in it. So remember, di ba yung sa Simula at Wakas, they have like this photo. I don't know if this is taken in Baguio. So they have all of these as advice ko, which is hindi nangyari kasi nga na busy kami. Pero ang gandang pirmahan nito ng ano. So if you have a chance, let's say for example you get this ahead of time, ito ang magandang papirmahan sa kanila. Pag yun sa ano, sa sound check, Kasi each one of them has their own pictures. Tapos meron silang 5. Magandang papirmahan nito eh. Kasi merch talaga siya eh. For the Saw concert. Which is, hindi ko nagawa. Yan. One thing I like about here as well is that, like, mga, talagang, ang gaganda ng mga pictures. Like, tingnan mo naman, oh. Ang ganda, oh. Talagang they really put an effort to make each picture really nice for the fans. Tignan mo, ganda oh. Yan ang magandang suggestion lang na hindi ko nagawa. Next time sana magawa ko. At ang maganda pa dito, I'm sorry, hindi ako binabayaran about the merch and everything. I'm just showing you as an 18 kung ang mga suggestion kung anong magandang ano. Ang maganda pa rito, kasi worth it talaga. Then, ang maganda pa rito, besides the pictures, yung Saw na album, older songs are here with their corresponding lyrics. Ganda. Ang ganda talaga. So, may mga credits sila. Then, so, yung last niya is poster. Ito yung poster. Ganda, diba? So, suggestion lang na hindi ko nagawa. Maganda sana tong papirmahan sa kanila. Imagine mo, nag-soundcheck ako ng 2 beses. Ni isa hindi ako nakapagpapirma. I was just in the moment that I didn't have the chance na magpakapagpirma sa kanila. Tinititigan ko lang sila. My God, they're very stunning. And like, experience nga yun sa Saw concert. Grabe. Worth it yung pera mo. Very proud kami as an 18. Nakaka-proud talaga. At saka, talagang kailangan ipagmalaki at kailangan gawa ng paraan para makilala ang Filipino pop group, and we are gonna make it happen. We're gonna help SB19 make it happen. Taga mo yan. Kasi we are like having some plans to do some stuff to help them, pero I'm not gonna tell the plans and stuff, pero I really want it happen na makilala ang SB19 lalo pa dito. I mean, we already have a fan base here, but more so like yung market sa sa mga ibang lahi talaga. Like ma-penetrate nila yung yung music industry dito sa US. So like yung sa na sinasabi ko sa inyo, yung I'm gonna show you yung video. So pictures yon ng sa Anaheim. Tapos meron akong video sa Pechanga. Like yung, I believe meron 8 minutes ata yun, or less than 8 minutes, pero may video ako about it. So I hope you guys are gonna like that. And kami rin yung nagpa drone show sa Pechanga. So West Coast 18 and collaboration with Solid Block Link. So dalawa kaming 18 fan group na nagkaroon kami ng collaboration to make this happen, and is a surprise from Mahalima on that actual concert, and I believe they didn't know about it. They just found out sa mismong after the concert sa Pechanga, and I'm so happy. We are all very happy that they love yung fan project na ginawa ng West Coast 18 at saka ng Solid Block Link. I'm so happy. And then nakita namin si Tita Gemma at saka sila Grace, yung mom ni Pablo, yung parents niya nandun, yung parents ni Justin nandun. We're just so happy, and I also have a chance na makita sila, and just positive vibes. So meron din pala silang photo cards. I forgot. May photo cards sila. Ang ganda. Tapos meron din ako yung picture, yung bumili rin ako ng ano, ng t-shirt, yung t-shirt ng So, yung ano, yung brown at saka yung black. Okay? So, pakita ko sa inyo in a little bit yung videos sa Pechanga at saka yung mga pictures sa Anaheim. I hope you guys like it. See you later. Bye!